When it comes to selecting windows for your home in Auburn Hills, Michigan, one of the best choices is Awning Windows. Known for their durability, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal, Awning Windows are an excellent option for homeowners who want to optimize natural light and ventilation while protecting their indoor spaces from the region's variable weather conditions. Auburn Hills, located in southeastern Michigan, experiences a continental climate with cold winters, warm summers, and frequent rainfall. This mix of weather conditions makes it important to choose windows that offer both insulation and the ability to handle changing weather patterns. Awning windows, with their unique features, are a great solution for achieving comfort and energy efficiency throughout the year. Here's a look at what makes Awning Windows a smart choice for Auburn Hills weather. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows the window to act as an awning when open, providing shelter from rain while letting in fresh air. The fact that they open outward rather than side to side means that they can be installed in spaces where other windows might not fit. They're typically operated with a simple crank mechanism, which makes them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach areas like above a kitchen sink. Why awning windows are perfect for Auburn Hills weather protection from rain and snow. Auburn Hills experiences significant rainfall throughout the year, and winters bring heavy snow and cold winds. Awning windows excel in these conditions. Because the window opens outward from the top, rainwater is directed away from the interior of your home, keeping your space dry and comfortable. Even during a heavy rainstorm, you can leave your awning windows open to let in fresh air without worrying about water pouring in. Additionally, awning windows provide an extra layer of protection against snow accumulation. When snow falls on a traditional window, it can block the opening or cause condensation inside the home. With awning windows, however, the unique angle at which they open reduces the likelihood of snow piling up around the edges, ensuring that the window remains functional in all weather conditions. Energy efficiency. In Auburn Hills, where temperatures can dip well below freezing in the winter and rise in the summer, energy efficiency is a priority for homeowners. Awning windows are typically designed with tight seals when closed, which can help prevent drafts and improve your home's insulation. This is particularly beneficial during the colder months, as a draft-free home keeps your heating bills lower. On the other hand, when summer rolls around, the design of awning windows allows for ample airflow, helping to cool down your home naturally. Since they're positioned high on the wall, they can create a natural cross breeze when combined with other windows, reducing the need for air conditioning. Security and privacy. Another reason to consider awning windows for your Auburn Hills home is their security and privacy features. Because they open outward from the top, they are less accessible to potential intruders than other window types. They also offer an additional layer of privacy since they are often positioned higher on the wall, making it difficult for passers-by to see inside your home. Durability and maintenance. Michigan's weather can be harsh, with hot summers, freezing winters, and frequent rain. However, awning windows are built to last. When you choose high-quality materials such as fiberglass or vinyl, you ensure your windows stand up to the elements without warping, cracking, or fading over time. Additionally, since awning windows are simple in design, they require minimal maintenance. A quick cleaning of the glass and frame a few times a year is usually all that's needed to keep them in top condition. Tips for choosing the best awning windows. When selecting awning windows for your Auburn Hills home, there are a few things to keep in mind. Material. Look for durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that can withstand the fluctuating temperatures and harsh weather conditions in Auburn Hills. Energy efficiency. Choose windows with an Energy Star rating to maximize insulation and reduce your energy costs. Size and placement. Consider where you want to place the awning windows in your home for the best natural light and ventilation. Larger windows are ideal for living rooms or kitchens, while smaller units work well in bathrooms or above sinks. Style. Awning windows come in a variety of designs and finishes. Make sure the style you choose complements the architecture and aesthetic of your home. Conclusion. Awning windows are an ideal choice for homeowners in Auburn Hills who want to balance ventilation, protection from the elements, and energy efficiency. Their ability to keep out rain and snow while allowing for ample airflow makes them a versatile option for Michigan's unpredictable weather. By selecting the right materials and style for your home, you can enjoy both functional and aesthetically pleasing windows that stand the test of time. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, consider installing awning windows to enhance your comfort, security, and energy efficiency year-round.